try. Then it'll be hard.
Then blow your nose. What are you looking at? That ain't your size.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah, cut your toes off. You ain't making no sense. Everything ain't for you.
It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks or fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss, no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they count. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World.
Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I'm excited about today's video, man. We're gonna do a little vlog. Me and the whole family gonna run over to Tuttle Mall to pick up these white Oreo Jordan 4s or tech grade Jordan 4s. I don't know the exact name that they're calling them, but y'all know what it is. So that's what we're going to do. All white sneakers with all white bottoms make me extremely nervous though. So I don't know if I'm going to keep any of these for the personal. I have no idea yet. When that white bottom gets dirty on an all white sneaker, the entire sneaker looks dingy to me. So we'll have to wait and see on that. But I am excited about some of the quality that I've seen and some of the pictures you guys posted on IG today. So I'm excited to see them in hand personally. If you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and subscribe to the channel, man. Join the movement. I'm trying to be more consistent again. Get back into vlogging, doing more reviews. I think me and Joso are going to do the review today together when we get these sneakers back to the house. So stay tuned for the end of the video and watch that so we can do this together. All right, y'all. So we finally done made it inside the mall. Just came through scene 75. I didn't want to record while I was in there, man. It was way too loud and crazy in there. I wouldn't recommend it. It's way too expensive. But anyway, let's get in here and see what these sneakers is hitting for so I can get in and out of here. I think I have 2 pair here at Foot Locker and a pair in the same mall that I came off the wait list for at Champs. So let's make the first move. What you trying to say?
My size 6 is not
Dang.
I'm gonna bring you out in a couple.
Let me see how heavy that is. Oh yeah, you're right.
That's what I'm saying. Our size is bad.
All right, y'all. You can see we 2 down. I got my boy with me.
Just so down.
Joe.
Just Hezzy. Just subscribe.
Oh my God. Hey, my man almost at 100 subscribers
Yes, sir.
on this channel. He be doing 2K and all that. You know what I'm
I
saying?
post every day. Well, I try to.
Yeah, he try to post every day. He ain't consistent, just
I missed yesterday.
just like me. But yeah, if y'all kids want to go subscribe, I'll put the link to his channel down in the bio, but or in the description section. I'm not talking about this ain't IG. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Champs and pick up this last pair. I hit on like 5 or 6 pair, but I'm not picking up all them sneakers. It's just not worth it to me. But I'll pick up a few and move a couple. Let's get out of here. Hey, we made it back to the house. I got my boy with me.
Blessed Hezzy. Just so down.
Blessed Hezzy. Subscribe to his channel. Well, not you, if you're an adult. If you got a child, have him subscribe to his 2K channel. I'll hit the link to that down below. Anyway, we are here. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy to have my son with me to do this review. Since I have an adult pair here and a grade school pair here, we'll talk a little bit about both pair and see if there's any differences. Obviously, the main difference you can see right off rip is this box is white and the grade school box is black. So we'll crack into it. You can pull yours out. Pause. This is a size 11. And I don't think there's any major differences. We might have to turn the light down because I don't know if
That's
it's going to wash it out.
Yeah,
Oh no. It's kind of showing up. It's picking up my face. So, yeah, the sunlight and everything is going to wash these out a little bit. Let me turn the light down so I can try to get you guys an accurate view of what it is we're looking at here. So, hopefully this looks okay. But it's an all-white sneaker, man. There's not a bunch to get into. You got all white uppers. You got this cement with speckled eyelets or the wings, and then you got the same tech gray down here on the midsole in different parts. Outsole is completely white with the red Jumpman and then the tech gray toe cap. No Nike Air on the back. You do have the... Oh, it's focusing on Josiah's face. You got the Jumpman on the back. But a lot of people... Look at the leather on these, man. The leather quality is really, really good. You know what I'm saying? They got that stressed out. This is a lot of stress in life right here. These are them stress wrinkles. All around under your eye sockets. You got that on the leather right there. These Jordan 4s done been through something. Got a lot of the wrinkle. And it's actually it feels like really good quality on the leather. Let's see on Joso's pair if there's any huge differences. All the same color blocking. Not a real difference to the cut or anything like that. Same mesh on the uppers. You got that speckle on the wings. And you got that red Jumpman there. And the gray Jumpman on the back. All the same. All the same. Still got the tumbled leather. Still got good quality. Different things like that. Now, I'm going to toss it to him and see, you know, if we get his actual opinion, though, on the sneaker. How do you feel? They got to see it. They want to see the sneaker and see you. You ain't got to hold it up there. Just hold it and talk.
I like Jordan 4, so I like this sneaker.
Mm-hmm.
I wish it had a little bit more red detail, though.
Like, where would you put more red?
Like, maybe here, right here.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit of this could be red. I don't know.
It just needs some... I mean, some people say that maybe you can throw some red laces in. It may make it pop a little bit. I'm a little... I don't know. I like to keep it a clean look. It's a white sneaker, so I don't think that I would want it to go too crazy with lace swaps and different things like that. I would just keep it clean and keep it white. But, you know, these are nice. But it could use a little bit more, I guess. I can see how somebody would think that it's just too much white and maybe it need a little bit more red or something else to it.
But then again, I do like the color red, so that's probably why.
Yeah, that is your favorite color, so... So, are these heat or these cheeks?
No, I like these.
These are heat?
Yeah.
I think these are heat as well. I really like the quality. I really like the leather on these. Definitely not something you can get a ton of wears out of. Because like I was saying, anytime that you got an all-white outsole like that, to me, whenever this gets dirty... the entire sneaker looks dingy to me. That's just how I look at it, because when you're walking and it's white and then all it is black, it's just not a good look. But it's definitely a nice sneaker. Very, very well executed. Not necessary, I guess, if you have the, you know, white cement 4s or anything like that, the OGs. But I've never owned a white cement 4, so... this is going to have to be the next best thing until they retro those. So, I'll have to wait and see. I'll hold on to it for a little while. It does have a little red piece of paint. That probably scratches off. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos, man. Special shout out to Joso, Mr. What is it?
Bless Hezzy.
Bless Hezzy. Mr. Bless Hezzy himself made it, you know what I'm saying, made some time for his dad today, so I appreciate him. But we're going to get out of here. Until the next time. OV!